Today, pag-uusapan natin ang passive income through selling digital products. If you ever been looking for a way to boost your income without constant effort, you're in the right place. Imagine guys, waking up to notifications of sales while you sleep. That's the beauty of passive income. And with Rocket PH, it's more accessible than ever. So stick around to learn how you can get started and build a sustainable stream of income. So bago tayo magsimula, kung gusto mo ng mga ganitong klase ng content, and namimigay nga pala ako dito sa channel ko ng mga pre-design resources for your project at shirt printing business. Kaya naman isang subscribe naman dyan mga lodi. Okay, huwag na natin patagalin to. Let's roll the intro. For those who aren't familiar, Rocket PH is an online platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking various services, from graphic design to digital marketing. But here's the kicker. It's also an excellent marketplace for selling digital products like ebooks, templates, and courses. And guess what guys? The co-founder at marketing ay si Juan Carlos Labajo. Then the rest of the team are all Pinoy. So marahil nagtataka kayo, why digital products? Well, they offer several advantages. First, they require minimal upfront investment compared to physical goods. Second, they can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. And third, they provide passive income potential, meaning you can earn while you're not actively working. So bago ka magsimula dito, pag-usapan muna natin kung paano ka magiging successful sa Rocket PH. So number 1, identify your niche. Choose a niche that aligns with your expertise and audience interest. Number 2, create your product. Develop high-quality digital products that provide value and solve a problem from your target market. Number 3, set up your Rocket PH account. Sign up for a seller account on Rocket PH and optimize your profile to attract potential buyers. Number 4, list your products. Create compelling product listings with clear descriptions, pricing, and eye-catching visuals. Number 5, promote your products. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies to drive traffic to your Rocket PH listing. At ngayon, napag-usapan na natin ang steps to success. Let's check the website of Rocket PH. So ito na guys yung website ng Rocket PH. So itatype nyo lang sa mga web browser nyo, rocket.ph. And makikita nyo naman, napakasimple lang ng website nila. And napakarami na rin gumagamit ng website nito. At halos lahat is content creator. Ang Rocket PH is makeup partner ng mga kilalang brand. So isa na dito si ABS-CBN, Smart at Globe. So nandito din si Unilever at P&G. Ang website na ito guys is 2-in-1, freelancing site at marketplace. At dahil freelancing site siya, pwede tayo mag-list or mag-post ng ating mga services dito. So punta na naman tayo sa section ng products. Under ng all products ay may digital products at physical products. So ang physical products na ito guys is tayo o ikaw yung mag-ship ng item sa customer. So para siyang Lazada or Shopee. Then ito naman yung mga digital products kung saan pwede tayo magbenta ng mga graphic design templates, courses, at kung ano-ano pang digital products. So ito yung mga sample ng mga nagbebenta dito sa Rocket PH. So tingnan natin itong GCash and PayMaya Sleep. So ito guys yung unang sample natin na digital product. GCash and PayMaya Sleep. na binebenta ni Miss Angelica Digitals. So nagkakahalaga ito ng 100 pesos. So dito nga lang sa site na ito guys is hindi mo kita yung solds, pero makikita mo dito may rating yung seller. So si Miss Angelica Digitals is may recommendations o ratings na 509. So itong 509 na ito guys is bilang ng mga bumili sa kanya o bilang ng mga nag-rate sa kanya. Isipin mo na lang guys, 509 times 100. So lampas 50,000 na yan. Hindi na masama bilang passive income lang. So ito guys ang next natin na example ng digital products. Kids learning materials na binebenta ni Miss RM Tumandaw. Nagkakahalaga ito ng 150 pesos. At makikita nyo naman si Miss RM ay may recommendations na 544 na ratings. So ito guys, lampas 54,000 na yan. Napakalaki, diba? And guys, sa pag-register or pag-login lang, napakadali lang naman dito. Napakaraming choices. Pwede kang mag-login o mag-register via Google lang, or kung gusto mo, register mo as email and password. At kung meron kang LinkedIn, pwede rin dito. And there you have it mga Lodi. Selling digital products on Rocket PH can be a game changer for your income and lifestyle. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with dedication and strategic effort, you can unlock the potential of passive income. So, what are you waiting for? Start turning your skills and knowledge into profitable digital products today. So, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and free giveaway design resources. And don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts or any questions you have. So, until next time.